If your English suddenly disappears the moment someone looks at you and expects you to speak, this episode fixes that you know the words, you understand the sentence. But the moment it's your turn to speak, your mind goes blank. This happens in meetings. When your manager asks a simple question, when someone says, "So what do you think?" or when you're trying to explain something you already know in English. Your heart rate goes up, your thoughts scatter, you start translating in your head. And suddenly you're silent, or you say something small, broken, or unclear. Later, you replay the moment and think, "I could have said that perfectly. Why didn't I?" If that feels familiar, this isn't about your English level, it's about how your brain reacts under pressure. By the end of this episode, you'll understand exactly why your mind freezes when you speak English. And you'll learn practical, controlled techniques to stay clear, confident, and steady. Even under pressure, no motivation, no overthinking, just control. When you speak English, your brain isn't focused on communication, it's focused on safety. The moment you feel judged by co-workers, clients, or strangers, your brain switches from thinking mode to survival mode. And here's what happens in survival mode. Memory access slows down. Sentence building collapses. You over-monitor every word. You try to sound correct instead of clear. This is approval-seeking behavior. Your brain is asking, will I sound stupid? Will I make a mistake? Will they judge my accent? That question alone is enough to shut down fluent thinking. Fluency doesn't disappear. Access to fluency does. Core teaching section. Section 1. What's really happening when you freeze? Freezing is not a language failure, it's a processing overload. You're doing 3 things at once: translating, monitoring grammar, monitoring judgment. Native speakers don't do this. They think in ideas, not sentences. The moment you try to build perfect sentences in real time, your brain stalls. Clarity comes from simpler thinking, not smarter thinking. Section 2. Control your start. This is critical. The first 3 seconds decide everything. If you start fast, your brain panics. If you pause briefly, your brain stabilizes. Before you speak, slow down your entry, use a buffer phrase. So here's the thing. Let me put it this way. The main point is, these phrases do one powerful thing. They buy your brain time. Confidence is not speed. Confidence is control of pace. Section 3. Fix the way you end sentences. Most people freeze because their sentences drift. They go up at the end. They sound unsure. They leave thoughts unfinished. End sentences firmly, not loud, not aggressive, just complete. Instead of, "I think maybe it could work if," say, "I think this can work." Sentence endings signal authority to others and to your own brain. Section 4. Remove these weak words immediately. These words increase freezing. Actually, maybe, I guess, kind of. Sorry, but they make your brain hesitate. Replace them with neutral control phrases. Here's what I see. What matters here is, from my perspective. You don't need stronger English, you need cleaner English. Section 5. Body and energy, audio friendly. Your body affects your voice more than your vocabulary. When you speak, sit upright, keep your chest open, breathe low and slow. If your body is tense, your voice will shake. If your body is calm, your brain follows. Before speaking, take one quiet breath. Not dramatic, not visible, just controlled. Control creates social safety. Section 6. Real before versus after examples. Before, freezing. Maybe the issue is we didn't really, after, controlled. The issue is clarity. We need a clearer process. Before, sorry, I just wanted to say something. After, one quick point. Before, I'm not sure if this makes sense, but after, here's what makes sense to me. Notice the difference. Same English level, different control. Here's what actually fixes freezing. Slow your start. Think in ideas, not sentences. Use buffer phrases. End sentences clearly. Remove weak words. Control your body before your voice. Fluency comes from structure, not confidence. Your mind doesn't go blank because your English is bad. It goes blank because you're trying to be perfect under pressure. Stop performing. Start controlling. Clear communication isn't fast, it's calm. And calm earns respect.